Yo, what is going on, everyone? My name is Drew. What it do? Hopefully you are having a fantastic day today. And in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a review and an unboxing experience of the Reebok Club C 85 in the Story MFG collaborated colorway. Oof, that was a mouthful. Let's get into the video. Upon opening this box, you're greeted with a very simplistic Reebok unboxing experience. The shoe comes in a navy and red Reebok box. There's nothing special about the box, and when you get the sneaker out of the box, you're greeted by a very interesting and a very unique Reebok Club C that I'm gonna get into in just a second. So Story MFG, if you guys don't know, is a very sustainably focused brand that started in the UK but now operates in India. The shoe is made up of the shoe's upper is constructed from an undyed woven linen blend. The color of this woven blend is kind of a cream, off-whitish color, and it looks very earthy and very natural. One of the signature markings for Story MFG is the peace sign, which can be found on both pairs of the shoe and found on the exterior or the outward facing side of the sneaker. Compared to other Club C's that I've had, this shoe in hand feels extremely light, and the materials make it a very unique shoe in my opinion. One of the key fabrics that went into constructing the sneaker is the organic cotton ripstop lining that's on the interior of the sneaker. This prevents the interior lining from ripping, tearing, and it allows for it to be more durable. And the fact that it's organic cotton means it uses less water than it would if it was traditional cotton, which is a huge plus for sustainability. The tongue of the sneaker features one of Story MFG's kind of slogans, which says, "Forge for wisdom with Story MFG." And I think that one of the reasons why this shoe resonates with me is that kind of idea that you're foraging for wisdom. The idea that, you know, using materials that are more sustainable, things that are better for the environment and better for the earth. And this brand is kind of bringing those materials to the forefront and making a shoe that looks, you know, very stylish and very good. You're in a sense foraging for wisdom, and Story MFG is kind of taking you along that ride. One of the details I just saw on the interior of the tongue of the shoe, and I'll get some B-roll over that for you guys, but it says, "From a tradition of over 100 years, these handmade athletic shoes meet the demand for quality performance required by today's athlete." And you know, obviously the Reebok Club C is intended to be a tennis shoe, but you know, obviously a lot of people are wearing it very leisurely, and the fact that there's a little kind of description essentially saying that, you know, it's handmade. It does say made in Vietnam, but Story MFG takes a lot of pride in creating products, you know, through that handmade process, you know, indigo dyeing and naturally dyeing things and using really natural materials. And it looks like Reebok really honored that part of the brand and helped them create a sneaker that honors that ethos that the brand has definitely lived by for the last some years. The outsole and midsole of the sneaker is this kind of translucent gum kind of outsole midsole combination. You have a standard, obviously, Reebok Club C outsole as well, and you have the Reebok signature kind of watermark there that denotes that this is a Reebok Club C, man. The shoes only come with one pair of laces. The laces match the styling of the actual upper of the sneaker, which is that linen material, which is kind of a creamy kind of color. And in my opinion, it looks absolutely great. Another kind of creamy brown shoe that I can add to the collection that I absolutely love. You guys know I love this shoe. The outsole probably will get beat up relatively quickly because it has this kind of translucentness to it. But I'm excited to put these shoes on and give you guys an on-foot kind of look of the sneaker, which we'll do right now. This is definitely one of my favorite parts of getting a new shoe. Undressing it, baby. All right, let's get these things on feet, man. So when it comes to sizing for these, I would go true to size. They do have a little bit of a snugger fit than like what, for example, my Down Reebok Club C's. And if you have a little bit of a wider foot, maybe I would go up half a size, but true to size should be good for, you know, regular size to narrow foot individuals, and then maybe half a size up for bigger feet individuals. In terms of comfort, you have pretty much your standard Reebok Club C kind of comfort. Nothing that's gonna blow your mind or blow you into the next stratosphere of comfort when it comes to this shoe. But you know, a very versatile shoe, a very stylish shoe, and I absolutely love the way this looks, no doubt about it. One of the things I want to touch on before I kind of conclude this video is Story MFG. I absolutely love when brands are have an opportunity essentially to showcase what they can do when they collaborate with footwear of a larger kind of retailer like Reebok, Nike, Adidas, and etc. I had no idea about Story MFG before this Reebok collaboration, and the more I learn about them, the more I kind of just love the collaboration and I love the brand. Like I said, they are a very sustainable brand, and so a lot of times what they do is that they have natural indigo dyes when they're creating blue dyes for their garments. They hand, you know, embroider some of the things that they do. They manufacture and create products in such a way that is conscious for the environment, and I'm one who loves that in a brand, and I love that as a consumer because I'm aware that fashion and overconsumption and just consumption in general causes a lot of harm. I want to show you guys Story MFG's campaign video, and then we can kind of conclude the video because I think they did a great job with their campaign. They had these shoes along with the beatniks that they had, which were similar to these, growing kind of in like the forest with like mushrooms and things like that. So I thought that was pretty cool. I'm gonna show you guys, those images should be on the screen right now, obviously. And then I'm gonna show you guys the campaign video, and then we'll go to the outro, man. And this is one of the beautiful kind of under the radar kind of reviews that you're not gonna see a lot of people do because this isn't a hype sneaker. And obviously people are saying sneaker culture is dying, but with sneakers like this, I absolutely love sneakers like this. And this makes me just, you know, excited for the future of sneakers, of sustainable fashion, sustainable sneakers and things like that. All right, I'm gonna stop rambling. Let's get to the campaign video. Boom, just like that. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna be styling these on my Instagram and showcasing them in a very beautiful way, trying to just bring life to the shoe. So you can follow me at DrewJoyner_ if you want to see that, or just check it out at DrewJoyner_ if you don't want to follow. Subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed today's content. I post content almost every day, weekly, essentially pertaining to fashion, sneakers, and art. This was a sneaker review. Yesterday I did a vlog. I have my own brand, so there's a lot of things going on here at the channel. So if you're interested, subscribe, hit the notification bell, do all those things that you know to be alerted about the videos. And I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. All right, if you made it this far in the video, you're a real one. This video's riddle, and the riddle is: the more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? I'm gonna say it again. The more you take, the more you leave behind. What am I? Comment your answer down in the comment section. I look forward to hearing what you guys think.